Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. Today I am share how to jailbreak Apple device iOS 13.6.1 on Windows PC. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Turn off your Apple device and reboot to recovery mode. Download new jailbreak tool on link, then input pen drive and make a Checkra1n bootable pen drive. After complete boot your Checkra1n. Now open Checkra1n and click to Start tab and follow step by step. Now jailbreak task complied. Go to Checkra1n and install Cydia. Apple device iOS 13.6.1 jailbreak task complete on Windows PC. Task done. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.